In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do gradient in Canva. If you've ever felt like your Canva designs look a little flat or plain, adding a gradient can instantly give them more depth, energy, and a polished, modern feel. Whether you're designing a banner, a social post, or a branded graphic, gradients can help your background look more dynamic without making the design complicated. The good news is that Canva makes this process very straightforward once you know where to click. To get started, open Canva and either launch an existing design or create a new one. Once your project is open, click directly on the main background of your page. If you want the gradient on a shape instead of the full page, click that shape instead. When the layer is selected, you'll see it outlined, which lets you know Canva is ready for you to edit its color settings. Next, look toward the toolbar at the top of the editor. With your background or shape selected, click the background color option. This opens the color panel, usually along the left side of the screen, where Canva displays your available colors, saved palettes, and other color tools. This panel is where all the styling changes begin, so make sure the correct layer is still selected before you continue. Now it's time to switch from a flat color to a gradient. At the top of the color panel, click the option to add a new color. After that, look for the gradient tab and select it. As soon as you do, Canva will apply a blended color transition to your selected background or shape. You should immediately see your design update in real time, which makes it much easier to experiment and decide what looks best. Once the gradient settings are visible, you can customize the effect. Click on the color stops to change each color in the blend. If you want a more unique look, you can add more color stops to create a richer multicolor gradient. Then move down to the style options and choose how the gradient flows. You can make it linear, diagonal, vertical, or radial, depending on the mood and layout of your design. A soft angle can feel subtle and elegant, while a stronger directional gradient can create more visual impact. Before exporting, take a moment to review the design carefully. If you have text or logos on top of the gradient, move them around slightly and make sure everything stays easy to read against the changing background colors. This quick check helps you avoid contrast problems later. Once everything looks right, go to the top corner, click Share, then choose Download. Select PNG if you want a crisp, high-quality image, and then click Download to save your finished design. That's it. You now know how to create and customize a gradient in Canva with confidence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.